Hey guys, so this is the first video in a DigitalOcean series that I was planning to do. My goal with this series is to kind of uh, bring viewers up to speed on how DigitalOcean works. Some of this stuff I'll be going through for the first time also, so you guys can learn from my mistakes. Um, I do have a website I kind of started tinkering around with already, but I'm going to start from scratch. And we're just going to start with signing in and creating a project, and that will be the absolute first video of the series. I do hope to go through creating an SSH key and actually adding it to this portal as a file and everything like that. This way, we can remote in from not just our development machine, but also from the development containers that we're eventually going to set up for web development. So definitely stick around and kind of check out the entire series. And please definitely like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Um, anyway, so yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to use my Gmail account just because it makes life so much easier uh, than remembering 15 different logins. I literally just link all of my stuff to a specific Gmail account and then allow management between them so I can share resources. So first step, log in. It's literally just kind of here's the other website I was talking about. So over here, there's going to be projects, going to be billing, support, settings, API. I'm not going to go into API stuff yet, or really support. When the last time I clicked on it, honestly, they're like $1,000 per month, and I'm like, yep, nope, not happening. But their self-support is really good. They've got a bunch of web forms and stuff like that, and they're yeah, it's pretty much self-support, right? But the web forms, everyone on the forums that I reached out to has been really helpful. Definitely kind of worth that aspect of it. I just wouldn't pay the monthly fee for it. So. Anyway, so creating a new project, that's kind of where we're going to start. So we're going to go ahead and it's literally just create project. And I'm going to call this YouTube tutorials. Bam. And everything related to YouTube. And purpose, I guess they kind of archive this or keep it for stuff. I don't know. Maybe they just collect the random data for something. Anyway, class and class project educational purposes. That sounds like what I'm doing with it. So not going to import any resources, but for example, if I wanted to, I can import my resources from this group over here. Again, not doing that just because we're going to start from scratch. And that's it. That's pretty much how you create the first project. So the project is kind of a container for all of your web applications that you're going to set up, whether it's a droplet, which is their version of a virtual machine, whether it's a full web app, which is something you write and just literally pull in from GitHub or something like that. Cloudways and DigitalOcean, I haven't used that yet. Uh, it looked kind of cool, but one thing at a time, right? So, this series will primarily cover spinning up droplets as well as getting SSH set up, as I mentioned earlier, and eventually I'll generate or create a new series, and that will be actually deploying a website and doing some things like that. So the next video is going to be spin up a droplet. We're literally just gonna kind of go through the motions 1 week at a time. So definitely like, subscribe so you get the next video. Anyway, see you guys next week.